Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, we'll discuss about the Gigabit Ethernet. Okay, before this, we already know what is the standard Ethernet, the fast Ethernet, and this one is the third generation of the Ethernet, which is Gigabit Ethernet. So the need for an even higher data rate resulted in the design of the Gigabit Ethernet protocol is 1000 megabit per second. So after mega, we go for giga. So the IEEE community call this Gigabit Internet as standard 802.3z. So that's the standard name under the IEEE standard. So under this Gigabit Ethernet, the MAC sublayer upgrade the data rate into 1 gigabit per second. For this, we have 100 gigabit per second. Now we upgrade the speed or the data rate. So it considered to keep the MAC sublayer untouched. So the format is still similar. So it's compatible with the standard and the fast internet. It keep the same format for the addressing, 48-bit, because it still use the physical address, physical addresses. Okay, this one similar as the fast internet, it use only star topology. If you refer to the standard, in the standard we still have the bus topology, but in the gigabit internet, the 1 gigabit internet, we only use the star topology, similar like the fast internet, and also support the auto negotiation like the fast internet. So in the full duplex mode of the gigabit internet, there is no collision. Okay, you still remember the multiple access? There is no collision in this part. The maximum length for the cable is determined by the signal attenuation in the cable itself, based on the transmission impairment signal attenuation. Change on the form. So the topologies of the gigabit internet, we use the star topology. A, we have point to point. This one is star. This one is 2 star, and then this one is the hierarchical of stars. We can have multiple star inside one star. Okay, the implementation of this gigabit internet, we have 1000 base SX, 1000 base LX, 1000 base CX, and 1000 base T. So SX refer to the 2-wire short wave fiber. LX, 2-wire long wave fiber. CX, 2-wire copper STP. And T here refer to the 4-wire of untwisted cable. This one twisted cable, shielded twisted cable. This one is unshielded twisted cable. So the encoding in the gigabit internet implementation, we use the NRZL line encoder and 4D PAM5 encoder decoder for UTP cable, and this encoder for the SX, LX, and CX. 1000 bits SX, LX, and CX. So this one use the 2 fiber or 2 STP cable. This one use 4 UTP cable. Okay, this one is the summary of the Gigabit Ethernet implementation. The characteristic for 1000 bits SX, it used the media fiber short wave. So the difference between SX and LX is type of the media and the distance, the maximum length, the maximum distance of the cable. When we use short wave here, short wave, so the number of wires is 2. The maximum length is 550 meters. If we want to use the BSLX, is 1 for the fiber long wave. So the maximum distance is equal to 5000 meters. For 1000 BSCX, this one use the shielded twisted pair cable. Numbers of the wires is 2. Maximum distance is 25 meters, only 25 meters. Okay, and then the block coding and encoding is similar. Okay, this one is similar. The different are at the media and the maximum distance for the SX, LX, and CX. For the 1000 base T, this one use the Cat5 TP cable. Numbers of the wire is 4. The distance is equal to 100 meters. There is no block encoding. It only use the line coding for DPAM5. So that's all for the Gigabit Ethernet implementation. The third generation of the Ethernet. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.